modern epics. Excellent gaming pad. Today I am going to tell you about the best keypad. Let's start. If you like it, you can buy it. The link is in the description. Number 1. RedThunder one-handed mechanical. Large handrest. The oversized handrest fits the palm perfectly. The surface of the handrest is soft and comfortable, suitable for long-term use. It will bring you a more relaxed gaming experience. Features a compact 35 keys. Space-saving design. The ergonomic structure will provide you with a relaxing gaming experience. No matter how long you type or how intense your gaming marathons are, you are always comfortable. Best gaming keypad. Number 2. NPET T20. For a pro gamer that used to play AAA titles games and look eyes on to the latest release, the need and importance of a gaming keypad cannot be described. In plain English, with the normal keyboard, you would not be able to thrive. The quality and the potential of one-hand gaming keypads only revealed in FPS and MOBA games. In these types of games, you need to super fast and precise, and the keys should be mounted on the fingertips so that you do not need to set up any combination of the keys. Gaming keypads are designed to boost gaming performances. If you want to get most of your gaming rig, you need to have quality gaming keypads. NPET T20 gaming keypads increase your feedback and specially designed to help the gamers to get access to the keys and other functions easily. Number 3. The Razer Tartarus. The Razer Tartarus V2 provides endless commands at your fingertips with 32 fully programmable mecha membrane keys, including an 8-way directional D-pad and 3-way scroll wheel. The keypad also features individually programmable backlit keys with 16.8 million color options, all easily set through Razer Synapse. And with its improved ergonomic form factor and adjustable palm rest with 2 positions, you get the exact angle of comfort you need. Razer Synapse 3 PC, Razer Synapse 2 Mac, enabled. Buy gaming keypads easy on Amazon.